Have you always wanted to have one locking device that fits the majority of your applications? In this case, I have the right solution for you. My name is Pavel, and today I want to present you our newest safety locking device, flexLock. In these videos, I will explain you how flexLock can save you time and costs while increasing your productivity and making no compromises on safety. First, how can flexLock help you to save time? Time savings begin already with the product selection and design of your machine. Looking at the flexLock, what stands out immediately is its unique round design and open locking head. This means that the actuator can come from any direction along 180 degrees. This makes flexLock suitable for all kinds of doors, such as sliding doors, swing doors, or even doors with a small radius, without making any adjustment to the locking head. So this way, one product fits the majority of your applications. This can also be said about the flexible actuator. The flexibility here allows for some misalignment, so you don't have to align the actuator and the sensor very precisely. And this way, you also save time on the alignment. The actuator orientation can be changed in 90-degree steps by just pushing and turning the actuator thumb. Rigid actuator, on the other hand, can make your life easier because it can be inserted in the locking switch also sideways. And this way, you often don't need even a special mounting bracket for your door. Talking about easy mounting and simple design of your machine, the high-coded versions of the flexLock comply with the requirements of EN ISO 14119. This means that you don't have to care for the physical obstruction of the device or mounting the device out of reach. Despite having the transponder technology, two devices can also be mounted really close to each other. As you can see, our newest safety locking device, flexLock, not only makes your machine safe, but also helps you to save time on mounting and the construction of your machine.